Right guys, John here, Metal Detector South Africa, and I want to do a quick explainer on the XP range of detectors, the DEUS as well as the RX. I don't have the RX with me, but it basically operates the same way. And there we've got a little kitten in the background. So specifically for the South African consumer, the XP range of detectors is new on the market. When we say it's a totally wireless detector, it means it's totally wireless. And the thing to get your head around is the fact that the coil is not connected to the control box by a wire. It is totally wireless. So there's a wireless link between the coil to the controller, and there's fully wireless as well from the controller to the headphones, as well as from the coil to the headphones. And what I mean by wireless from the coil to the headphones is you can actually switch this controller off, you can leave it off, and you don't need to use the controller. You can actually then just listen to the coil finding targets through the headphones. The headphones are also smart enough that you can actually control, just like you would from the remote control. You can set your tones, you can set your various frequencies and your discrimination. You can do all of that using the controller on the headphones. So totally wireless system. The technology that the XP range of detectors brings is their frequencies. They've got each coil has got a multiple frequencies. So it's not 4 frequencies or 1 frequency. There's 20 odd frequencies that you can select from. In front of me I've got the X35 coil, and I've got the HF coil. So the HF coil has got 3 bands of frequencies. So it ranges from 15, so you can do various frequencies around the 15 range, around the 30 range, and around the 55 kilohertz range. And with the X35 coil, you can operate between 4 and 28 kilohertz. So how you set up your detector, again, XP have sort of established themselves in the market as being the most ergonomic, most well thought out detector. Extremely light, weighs only 800 grams when fully assembled. So let me show you very, very quickly. So here you got your coil stem, and this is your shaft. It's got these little clips, and essentially you're going to extend that all the way down. It just closes like that, and you pop the coil in there, and here's got little inch markings so you can set the height. I like mine on about 4.5, like that. Right, so that's pretty much it, and we now have the remote control. XP refer to it as the remote control. If you've got other detector brands, they often refer to it as the control box, but that's basically what you use to operate the detector. It's detachable, and the reason why it's detachable is some guys prefer to just go out with headphones and a coil. They've got a nice little pinpointer clip, what they call the pointer clip stem clip, and the pointer just slots in there. So everything's nice and handy. Right guys, so fully wireless. Right guys, so I've got a bit of a scratchy signal here. It's got 2 tones. You can hear that? Up, 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 up. And it's jumping from a 26 to a 40. Interesting concept, something new in the South African market, and I must say doing quite well the couple of weeks that it's been on the market. Really good feedback on the DEUS, and the ORX, which is mainly a gold machine but also used for inland relic hunting, also doing extremely well. and giving some of the other brands out there a good run for their money on the gold side of things. Right guys, I'm going to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.